Parakore is a not-for-profit. We educate and advocate for a zero waste, zero emissions world. We do that mahi from a te ao Māori perspective. This is the Maunu Garden project, a community garden here in Whangārei. Our goal is to help them reduce their waste to landfill by 50%. Different groups come to grow food in a part of the garden. And so over here is our compost, pū. On the top it might look messy, but underneath this beautiful soil, this is what's happening in the lower layers. Anything from a plant can go into compost. You're probably not going to put in meat, dairy, because it's going to attract rats. For these types of compost, I'd recommend just fruit and veg, and also burying the food scraps as well. As gardeners, we don't grow kai, we feed soil, and it's the soil that grows the kai for us. So yeah, if we can create beautiful soil, which they're doing here, then we can create beautiful food for our people. Parakore in a pretty tight financial situation at the moment. Bye! The mahi's still going. This is one of our collaborators that we work with here in Aotearoa.
The purpose of this hub is that it's event waste from Whangārei, and all the food scraps, all the compostable plates and stuff come here to be processed. So when it first comes in here, it looks essentially like whole food or greenhouse. And after it comes into the second bin, it's full of packaging, which takes quite a while to break down until it ends up like this over here. So this is what some of our finished compost looks like. It's ready to go out on the gardens. It could be done in about 3 months. We just had such an excess amount. And so, yeah, 6 months currently.
Circular living can seem really overwhelming and complicated and complex for whānau. One of the key messages we try and bring to our wānanga is that it actually is a return back to what we used to do. It's a simplifying, and it can be really simple. We're at Aotearoa Cultural Centre, which is one of our parakore rōpū, and I'm here with one of the kaiwhakairo te kaurinui. How come I can't put those chips in my compost?
He tapu kei roto i te whare, anō hoki he tapu kei ngā maramara o te rākau. Kore taia te tāpiri tēnei ki ngā mea e noa ana mo te kai. Ena he ka whakairo mātou nei, he wharenui, he wakataua pia. He tūpuna kei roto i era whakairo. Kia tapu, he kupu nui te reo te tapu. Mai ngā atua, kia mau tonu i tōna honunga ki ngā atua, ngā ture o ngā atua.
I'm wary that the landfill here is filling up quick. Whose whenua is going to be next? Whose maunga is going to be the next landfill? And I know none of our people here want that. I know they don't want it anywhere else either, you know. We don't want another landfill. It's such a backwards way of dealing with our rubbish. My passion is to advocate for a world where we don't need another landfill because we're not producing waste in the same way that we do now. Yeah.
Ko te reo, te take.